Is compost good for pepper plants? Well, we all know that compost is an organic fertilizer. It's not just good, it's excellent for your pepper plants. We shared pepper farmers who use compost to grow their pepper, and you saw how the gardens were thriving. This is because compost provides the plants with rich organic nutrients. Pepper plants prefer well-drained soil with good organic matter, which compost readily provides. Compost adds essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are important for healthy pepper growth. Incorporating compost helps improve soil structure, drainage, and water retention, creating a better environment for pepper roots. Using compost is a completely organic way to fertilize your pepper plants. So, if you have access to compost, it's the best solution you can use to fertilize your crops. It's the best medicine you can give to your plants. But I know that for some farmers, you do not have access to compost. Let's say you are not rearing cows, or have someone in your vicinity rearing cows or chicken or goats or anything that can lead to compost. In those cases, well, you can go ahead and use the alternatives. But if you have access to compost is very good for your pepper plants.